Hey everyone, today we're diving into the BLUM Bot. If you haven't started using it yet, now's the time because their airdrop is just around the corner. If you haven't signed up, make sure you do. It's free. Recently, they had limited slots for joining, but now it's wide open, so you can sign up without any issues. The registration link is in the description box below. This bot is super easy to use and there's really nothing complicated about it. Anyone can work with it and even earn some tokens. There's been a lot of buzz that the BLUM token might have a high value, but who knows? Either way, we're working on this for free, so there's nothing to lose. Now, BLUM has recently partnered with the Empire bot, which we'll be covering in the next video that's coming up in a couple of hours, so stay tuned for that. All right, let's get straight into the practical steps. Remember, all the links you need are in the description. Let's get started. So, when you first open the BLUM bot, you'll see a message asking you to click Start. Once you do that, it might prompt you to read through some instructions or click Next until you're fully inside the bot. Here's how the bot looks once you're in. The main mining activity on this bot depends on two things. First, there's the farm section, which you'll see here. You just need to click on Start Farming to get it going. You have to do this every 8 hours, so set a reminder for yourself. Second, you'll receive daily tickets, the red ones you see here. Just click on Play when you get them, and you'll see these green items dropping on the screen. Click on them quickly to collect more tokens, but be careful. There are bombs that drop too, and if you click on one, you'll lose all the tokens you've just collected in that game. Now, some people mentioned they couldn't collect more than 100 tokens in one game. Just use both of your fingers to tap. Don't use any auto-clicker tools because you'll get banned if you do. It's simple and fun. Next, you have tasks. Lots of tasks. Completing these can earn you more tokens. As I mentioned earlier, BLUM has partnered with the Empire, so there are new tasks related to that. The first task is to join the Empire's Telegram channel. The second is to reach level 3. The third task is to follow them on Twitter. You'll also find other tasks related to BLUM. For example, one task asks you to follow the BLUM CEO on Instagram. Just click Start, follow the instructions, and then come back to the bot. Sometimes, it might take a while for the bot to recognize that you've completed the task. Just be patient and try the next day if needed. Once you've completed all these tasks, you can collect your tokens. Make sure you finish as many tasks as possible to maximize your rewards. You can also invite your friends using this section here. Finally, in the wallet section, you'll need to link your wallet. Just click Connect, and you can register your wallet either through the Telegram wallet or the Timekeeper wallet. That's it for the new updates on the BLUM bot. Remember, the airdrop is almost here, so make sure you're taking advantage of every opportunity to collect tokens. You don't want to miss out on this. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.